We will learn some commonly used English lines. Let us listen and dive in.
Let's learn common phrases.
Thank you so much for helping me clean up.
No worries, happy to help. This is a friendly way to say you're welcome. Repeat, no worries.
Do you have the report?
Not yet, I'll get back to you. Use this when you need to find information and speak to them later. Repeat, I'll get back to you. Do you want to play this game?
It's not my cup of tea.
This means something is not to your taste or interest. Repeat, it's not my cup of tea. I have too much work.
Calm down, take it easy.
Use this to tell someone to relax or as a way to say goodbye. Repeat, take it easy.
Everything is ready.
Great! Let's hit the road. Use this phrase to say that it is time to leave. Start a journey. Repeat, let's hit the road.
I miss your laugh. Use this to tell someone dear that you miss their joy. Repeat, I miss your laugh.
Hello, students. Read the following questions and try to say answer by yourself. Also, write in the comment box.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. 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 Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Write in the comment what is the meaning of step aside.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe my channel.